So you've got yourself the new GoPro Hero 12 Black and you want to set it up. And in the box it said your camera must be updated before you can use it. Well, today we're going to show you how to update your camera with the GoPro Quik App on your phone. We'll also show you how to install the battery and the memory card in your GoPro so you're all set up and ready to use it. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So first off, I want to say if you're interested in any of my favorite GoPro gear, it's all linked below in the description, but let's go ahead and set up this GoPro. So we'll start out with installing the memory card and the battery here in the GoPro Hero 12. So the one side has the power button, the other side has a door here, and there's a little switch here at the bottom, and it's spring loaded. So you have to pull back on it pretty hard, pull it towards the bottom of the GoPro, and you'll see a little red or orange strip. When you see that, you can open up the door just like that. And this is where the battery and memory card go. Now right here, you'll see kind of some teeth at the bottom. That's where the memory card goes. So with your lens facing down, grab your memory card like this and have the logo of the memory card facing towards the big screen on the back of your GoPro. And this is actually spring loaded in there. So we're gonna put that in just like that, push it in all the way. And then we push it with our finger and it stays in much further. Now, if you do want to take it out, go ahead and push it and it'll pop back out and you can pull it right out like that. But you need to give it a push so it stays in place. Oh, there we go, just like that. So it stays in place. Then we can grab our battery, these Enduro batteries, and it goes in this way. So the little notch here at the top faces the top of the camera like that. We'll slide it in all the way like that. And then we can close the door. Now, you can try snapping it into place like that. If you push it quite hard, it snaps into place, but make sure that red or orange strip disappears. You can also pull that back and then pull it down, but I think it's easier just to snap it in place. Make sure that is locked so that you know it is waterproof. So next up, let's set up our GoPro here. And again, it says your camera must be updated before you can use it. Install the GoPro Quik App on your phone. I have it already installed on here, but you can download it for free from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. So make sure that is installed on your phone. We'll go ahead and turn on our GoPro. So on the side here, you'll see the power button right under the 12 Black logo. We'll hold that down for a couple of seconds. It'll beep. You'll see it says 12 Black there on the front screen and GoPro on the back screen. Now I do want to mention during this process, if your battery level is low, it's going to ask you to charge your battery first. So in the box, it did come with a USB-C cable. You can plug that in behind the battery door cover where the memory card was. You'll see a little USB-C port there to charge it. All right, so we can select our language here. We can go through many different languages, select whichever one you're setting it up in, and then hit the check mark there in the corner. The legal stuff, you can read through that on their website. And once you've done that, hit agree. Voice control, turn on to control your camera using your voice. I don't typically use this function, so I'm going to turn it off, but if you'd like to use that, go ahead and hit on. And then it says install the GoPro Quik App on your phone to finish setup. So we're going to leave our camera on and we'll load up the GoPro Quik App here. It's going to load up and you can see myself at Denny's, but we want to hit the GoPro icon here in the bottom right-hand corner, and that's going to start searching. Now you can see I already have my GoPro 11 set up in there, and that's what it's searching for. So it's not going to find that. In the top right hand corner, we'll see the plus sign and a camera. So you can tap on that and it's going to start searching for the camera. Make sure again that you leave your GoPro on, and let's see if it finds it here. There we go. It found my Hero 12 Black. We found your GoPro. Let's get started and connect your GoPro to your phone. So go ahead and hit connect. Pairing request, pair and connect up here. Pair with GoPro, we're going to hit pair. And this process might be slightly different depending if you're using an Apple phone or a Android phone. So it could be slightly different, but you should be able to figure it out. Again, it's connecting. You can name your GoPro here. So I'm going to name mine Hero 12, maybe Ken, and then save new name. Let's install your update. The rest of the update will only take a few minutes. Leave your camera on and don't leave the Quik app until the update is complete. So it should automatically prompt you to update your GoPro. We'll go ahead and hit continue. These are the key features that it's updating. So it'll be, for myself this time, version 1.10, and of course, other updates will probably come in the future. We'll hit update camera, connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi, searching for device, connect to device. We're going to go ahead and hit connect. And you'll need to go through all of the legal disclaimer here and then hit accept and continue. Transferring update to your camera. Be sure to leave your camera on and don't leave the app. That's very important. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. And it's got kind of a meter here, so it's at 9% right now. It'll go all the way around. And then it'll start installing the update once it reaches 100%. And it's restarting, upload complete. And there we are. It says all set, your camera software was updated successfully. You now have access to the latest features and your GoPro is all ready to use. And it's really that simple to install your battery, memory card, and get your GoPro all set up, including the update. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out in setting up your new GoPro Hero 12 Black. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.